continue to work with him? How was that situation once the Chael fight happened?
Yeah, well, we're still training a little bit, but obviously he's friends with Chael Sonnen, so made it a little awkward, but he came down from the last week of training in a couple of days, and yeah, Jake was great to work with, great wrestler, great submissions, so in many ways, you know, the perfect guy to train between Chael Sonnen or Damian Maia.
Last two questions. First, with this fight, because you talked about the promotion, everyone knew when you and Chael finally fought, because it's going to happen, it was going to happen all along. You kind of wish the promotion had more time. Do you kind of wish just on a hype level you had a little bit more time to kind of build this fight?
Yeah, of course, it would have been nice to have more time and have a little fun with it, but ultimately, you know, no one cares about the trash talk. We want to see the fight. That's the important thing. Saturday night, you know, we're going to fight, and we're going to fight hard. I know he is. I'm under no illusions. I know he's coming hard, and so am I. So, you know, it's going to be a great fight. So, don't worry about the trash talk, guys. Just tune in, watch the fight. You know, fight of the night, if not fight of the year.
I know you told me you had kind of a unique experience at UFC on Fox 1. What are you expecting for UFC on Fox 2? And just give us your final prediction for the fight.
Well, you know, obviously, I think I'm going to win. You know, I'd be a fool to think otherwise. If you're a fighter, you're going to have self-belief. You know, and I have that, and I think that's why I've been so successful. I'm going to go out there, I'm going to fight hard. It's going to be a tough fight. You know, I'm going to get punched in the face, I'm going to get taken down, I'm going to have to overcome adversity. But, you know, I'm fully prepared, expecting it, welcoming it. I'm ready to do damage. I'm going to win on Saturday night.
Thank you, Michael.
Cheers, David.